So starting with paper 2019 May June 22 for the mail merging. So you are required to carry out a mail merge. Create a mail merge letter using the file which is called letter.rdf as a master document, and another CSV file which is named guest.csv as your data source. So let's go and look for these two files. First of all, the RDF file. Okay, let me close this, and this is my RDF file, and I need to connect it to the guest CSV file. Over here, if I notice, I have so many columns starting with title, family name, first name, member code, road, code, road, area, country, postcode, theme, duration, month, and discount. Mainly how many members I have here, around 10 members. That's a point, just will help me later to remember that I have 10 members over here. Okay, let's close it and let's import our file over here. So let's go to mailing tab, select recipients, and using an existing list, and go to my located file area. Okay, and it is, the name of the file is, I believe, cruises. No, it's guest.csv. Over here, this one, and you will notice most of the things, icons right now become active after importing the database. You will notice here I'm supposed to have 10 members, which is correct, and nothing will be yet showing till I start to merge the files. So replace the text in chevrons in the master document with the merge fields from the data source as follows. So to do this, we need right now to start to highlight each of them. Make sure you're not using the space area over here. So use shift and right and left arrow on your keyboard. So this is the first one, and go and replace it with, okay, it's over here. So the TLE one will be for title. So highlight over this one, title. Second one is going to be first, which is first name. Then family is supposed to be family name. Address one supposed to be road. Address 2 supposed to be area. 3 supposed to be country. Oh, sorry, it's county, not country. And then the post supposed to be for the postcode. Then again, TLE, which is title. And discount will be for discount. Okay, just make sure you didn't forget any of the chevrons. And what can happen right now, if you click on preview result, all the chevrons will turn into their real names from the database. So if you right now started to check the names or go to the next ones, those names from the database will be starting to show. Here there is a point saying that make sure the spacing, punctuation, alignment, and enhancements in the original master document are maintained. That means whenever you're trying to replace those chevrons, you're not taking those spaces over here or this enters of new lines here and overcoming other. Even this dot, you're not taking it over. So make sure you're not deleting those things by mistake while you're replacing the chevrons. 31. Replace the text candidate name with your name. And then include your name, center number, candidate number in the footer of the document. Not mentioned where exactly, but only in the footer. So I'm going to make it in the center. And I don't need for this. I can delete the rest. So print the master document, print out 5, going to be make sure that you entered your name, center number, and candidate number. And then you start to print this page by going to print and make sure your name is showing, and here over here everything is showing. Okay, the following question 32, set an automated filter to select members where theme is a tester. Okay, let's go and add the filter. So again, to the mailing tab, edit recipient list, and here is the filter. So what I need to do to set the theme into a taster. So over here, select the theme to be equal to the taster. Make sure the spelling is exactly matching, and okay. It's supposed to reduce, so let me do it one more time. Sometimes it cannot happen, so make sure it is reducing. Okay, they become 3, and their theme must be taster over here. So click on OK. What will happen here? The members will become only 3 members, and if you preview them, they will be the same members with the theme of, where is the theme over here? I cannot find, okay, it's, I cannot find it. The theme. Okay, it's over here. Let's preview the result. We will see that all the 3 members' themes will be taster. So next question, that will be that evidence required here, and place your evidence, the screenshot, using an automated selection method. Okay, to do this, open your filter again, open this one, and let's take a screenshot of this and post it in evidence number 12. Sorry, this is, yeah, evidence number 12 over here. Okay, we're supposed to belong to step 32. Next, step 33, merge and print the letters for the selection members only, which are 3 currently we're having. Save and close the files and print out 6. Print this resulted merge file and make sure your name, candidate number, and center number are showing. So to do this point or this step, go over here, edit individual documents to all of them, which will be 3, and then we're going to get here 3 pages. What we need, we just need to print it, and we need to make sure the names are showing on all of them. Okay, so that was till question 33. The last question will be printing the evidence document only after you're done with all of the evidence. For me, I skipped to the next question for the mail merging, so I still didn't finish here. So only after you're done with all of the evidence, go and print the evidence file. I hope you got all the questions and answers, and see you in the next paper.